All the videos you see on the screen right now are created using Grok AI for free on this free website. No limitations, no watermark, no hidden charges, no subscription. And don't be in a hurry, because if you don't do it well, you will still have an error message. Watch this.
I can't pretend anymore.
What do you mean?
This?
I know, but I don't want to lose you.
See me for the first time, this is Beard and Brown with Quick, and here I share AI tutorials and YouTube growth strategies. First website we'll be looking at is the Kai API. A lot of you are still sleeping on this particular website, this particular API website. Honestly speaking, this is still very effective. As at the time I'm making this video, I was able to generate even up to 10 videos from this website, and I didn't receive any limitation, no credit required, nothing, just for free. And look at the quality of the image generated using this website.
I can't keep bailing you out. You think I want this? Then get a job. You don't get it. Grow up.
Gen AI. Okay, that's the next website we'll be using. Now, I know you want to skip and rush over to use it. If you don't use it well, you will not. A lot of content creators are getting an error message when they are trying to generate their videos. The reason is because they are rushing, just like the way you want to rush now to go and generate. So you need to follow this step by step and turn on a particular settings to enable you to generate unlimited with 0 credit. So guys, go ahead and close this. And the moment you sign up and log in, you're going to have 40 credits. Now watch, this 40 credits, you won't be using it at all. It won't be showing at all. Now, for us to be able to use this website, the moment you log in, you're going to be seeing the interface of the Gemini Gen AI. Now, this is how the interface looks like, right? So you're going to use Video Gen. Now, once you select this Video Gen, it will take you to the next interface that looks like this. Okay, now this interface will enable you to input your prompt and start creating, like you're seeing here. This is where you're going to place your prompt, right? Let me show you something. Let's use one particular prompt and let's set an example. Let me head over to ChatGPT to get a prompt. So now we have Grok AI. Look at Grok here for free. Now, if you select here, I want to see Grok AI because I already selected Grok AI for free. So generation mode, just put it at, don't change it, just leave it at this, custom. Okay, great. Now you go ahead and do your advanced settings. Okay, advanced settings, you don't even necessarily need to do anything, just leave it the way it is. All right. Now, this basic settings is where the real issue is. A lot of people skip this part and they do it the wrong way, and that's why you will not be able to generate any video. All right, like look down here, I want to see this generation will cost you 0 credit. Now generate with Grok. So even if it costs you 0 credit, if you don't do it right, you still have an error message. Now let me show you what I'm saying. Now the moment I get my prompt, so watch, I've copied my prompt. This is the prompt I want to use, and I want to use this aspect ratio, right? And you know, if you go here and select this high and select this 10 seconds, watch what is going to happen. Watch what is going to happen here. Look at it, said required maximum and premium subscription. So this is where a lot of people are getting it wrong. So what you should do instead is use standard and use 6 seconds. With this, you will not have any limitations. Now, why not? This gives you an excellent result, an excellent output. Why not? Go ahead and use it since it is free. So I recommend you go use this and start generating. And you have to verify that you are human. Also remember, this costs 0 credit. Once you verify you're human, now watch what is going to happen. It's going to see your request has been submitted successfully. Now watch this. It's going to start generating. Look at it here. And remember, 0 is 40. Your 40 credit is still in place. You've not used it. And here is 0 credit. You've not used it. And you're using Grok AI. Guys, this is beautiful. And if you want to know which model is still active, like it's free and active, come here where you have this status, okay? Once you open up this status, you're going to filter it to 1 hour ago, okay? So that you will still be updated, that's most recent. So you can see all of these that are green on green are all free, all right? Like you can see, Grok is here, Meta AI video is here, all of these are all free. The ones that are on green, the ones that are red, they are not free. So go ahead and start exploring these tools and start creating your videos. Use this platform and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Yeah, let me know it's also working for you, because it's working for me here. Now, for you to know and to have access to the videos you created, like the history, you need to be sure that your video is 7 days old here, okay? Don't allow it to stay here more than 7 days old, okay? Now look at the video that I generated. Look at it here. All right, it's generated and we are good to go. So you can literally play it and see how it goes. Go ahead and click here and download it. Beautiful. So congratulations, guys. Let's use Grok AI and keep creating. Don't forget to give this video a like, share the video, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss free tips like this, and subscribe. See you in the next one.